Shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, also known as stick welding, plays a vital role in power plant construction, operation, and maintenance. Its reliability, versatility, and ability to produce high-strength welds under challenging conditions make it an essential process in the fabrication and repair of power generation infrastructure. In power plants, whether they are fossil fuel, nuclear, hydroelectric, or renewable-based, welding integrity is critical to ensure safety, operational efficiency, and longevity of equipment. SMAW is especially important in structural fabrication, pipe welding, pressure vessel repair, and maintenance activities because of its proven effectiveness and compatibility with a wide range of ferrous metals. In the construction phase of a power plant, SMAW is used extensively to join structural steel components, support frames, and critical load-bearing elements that form the backbone of the facility. These structures must support heavy equipment, piping systems, and access platforms, and they are often subject to high mechanical loads and environmental stressors. Stick welding is preferred in these applications for its ability to perform in outdoor or exposed conditions without the need for shielding gas, which can be disrupted by wind. Its ability to weld in all positions, flat, vertical, overhead, or horizontal, makes it ideal for assembling large frameworks where access can be restricted and orientation varies. Piping systems in power plants are among the most critical components, especially in thermal and nuclear facilities where high pressure and high temperature fluids are transported throughout the plant. SMAW is commonly used for welding carbon steel and alloy steel pipes used in systems such as main steam, high-pressure feedwater, and auxiliary piping. Welding of pipes in power plants often involves multiple passes. A root pass to ensure full penetration and integrity of the weld, followed by fill and cap passes to complete the joint. Root passes are often done with E6010 or E7010 electrodes due to their strong penetration in fast-freezing slag, while E7018 low-hydrogen electrodes are typically used for the fill and cap passes to reduce the risk of hydrogen-induced cracking and improve toughness. One of the key reasons SMAW is favored in power plant environments is its resilience under challenging field conditions. Power plants, especially during maintenance shutdowns or emergency repairs, often require welders to operate in confined spaces, elevated platforms, or areas with limited accessibility. In such scenarios, the portability and simplicity of stick welding equipment make it the most feasible option. Welders can carry an electrode holder, cables, and a welding machine or generator into tight or elevated